Good morning to one and all. In this section, we will be discussing about RRB NTPC 2021 examination. That is a fifth phase examination which was held in March 27th of 2021. We are going to discuss about the shift 1 and shift 2 questions with the answers. Okay. Now let us enter into the question paper. First is a brief history of time. A brief history of time was written by Stephen Hawking. Brief history of time was written by Stephen Hawking. The Global Innovative Index 2020. In the Global Innovative Index 2020, India ranks 48. India ranks 48. Global Innovative Index 2020. Which slogan is given by the Muhammad Ali Jinnah in 1943? In 1943, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who is considered to be the father of the Pakistan, he gave a slogan. The slogan name is divide and quit. Divide and quit. Which animal yields lightest wool in the world? Which animal yield lightest wool in the world? Angora. This Angora animal yields lightest wool in the world. The default page setup in MS Word formatting. In MS Word formatting, the default page setup is normal margin. The normal margin will be the default page setup in MS Word formatting. How many solar cities was developed this financial year? In this financial year, how many solar cities have been developed? 60 solar cities. The function of phloem. The phloem, we have xylem and phloem. In this, particularly, we are going for the functions of phloem. The function of phloem is the transportation of organic nutrients. Transportation of organic nutrients. Then, 2000 rupees note. We have the 2000 rupees note. So what is the dimensions of the 2000 rupees notes? It has 66 into 166 millimeter square. 66 into 166 millimeter square is the dimension of 2000 rupees note issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Suez Canal was constructed in which country? Suez Canal, we know Suez Canal. It was constructed in which country? It is constructed in the Egypt. Okay. When UNESCO recognized Sundarbans as a World Heritage Site. When the Sundarbans is recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site at which year? 2001. Then Article 21. Article 21 deals with the right to life and personal liberty. Right to life and personal liberty. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to life and personal liberty. Vice President of Niti Aayog. Vice President of Niti Aayog or Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog is Mr. Rajiv Kumar. Mr. Rajiv Kumar. Okay. National Green Tribunal was formed in the year, that is formed in the year with the date 18th October 2010. On 18th October 2010, National Green Tribunal was formed. Then the ore of ore of aluminium. Ore of aluminium is the bauxite. The bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Bauxite is a ore of aluminium. So then Bangladesh. Bangladesh is related with the kabaddi and Nepal is related with the volleyball. Bangladesh is related with the kabaddi and Nepal is related with the volleyball. Okay, then the Asian Women's Handball Championship of 2019. Asian Women's Handball Championship of 2019 was awarded to the Jaipur. Jaipur is in Rajasthan. The formula of propane. Formula of propane is C3H8. Formula of propane is the C3H8. C3H8 is the formula for the propane. Then the world saltiest desert. The name of the world saltiest desert is Salar de Uyuni. Salar de Uyuni. The World Trade Organization. We know the World Trade Organization. The Director General of World Trade Organization is Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala is the Director General of World Trade Organization. She is from which country? She is from the Nigeria. Okay. Not a Iran. So now we are seeing about the Iran. Iran is not a member of SARC. Iran is not a member of SARC. How many carbon atoms are present in the glucose? How many carbon atoms are present in the glucose? Glucose, we know the formula for the glucose is C6H12O6. C6H12O6, that is 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen and 6 atoms of oxygen combined to form the glucose. So how many carbon atoms are there in the glucose? 6 atoms are there in the glucose. Then Chauri Chaura incident is associated with which district of Indian state? Chauri Chaura incident is associated with which district of Indian state? That is Gorakhpur district. Gorakhpur district is present in the Uttar Pradesh state of Uttar Pradesh. Gorakhpur district. Chauri Chaura incident is associated with the non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement. The non-cooperation movement only, at the end of non-cooperation movement, these people from these mobs from the region of Chauri Chaura will be burning the British police station. So this caused the then the Yugadi festival is celebrated in the Andhra Pradesh. Yugadi festival is celebrated in the Andhra Pradesh. UNO term was coined. The UNO term was coined in the year 1st January 1942. 1st January 1942. 1st January 1942, UNO term was coined. Then, who started the forward bloc? The forward bloc was started by the Subhash Chandra Bose. Forward bloc was started by the Subhash Chandra Bose. The National Hindi Day. National Hindi Day was celebrated in the date of January 10th. National Hindi Day was celebrated on January 10th of every year. When did Bangladesh became independent? When did Bangladesh became independent? Bangladesh became independent on March 26th of 1971. On March 26th of 1971, Bangladesh became independent. Then the expansion of IRDA. Expansion of IRDA. IRDA is nothing but the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is nothing but IRDA. Then the IMF director, Indian Monetary Fund director, International Monetary Fund director is Kristalina Georgieva. Then who gave the law of gravitation? Newton gave the law of gravitation. Then the yellow revolution related to the production of edible oil. When we hear the word yellow revolution, the thing has to come in the mind is the production of edible oil. Okay. The Vijayanagara Empire established on the 14th century. And the 14th century, Vijayanagara Empire was established. Which movie got 91st Oscar Award for the Best Picture? Green Book. The Green Book is the movie. It got the 91st Oscar Award for the Best Picture. International Child Day. International Child Day was celebrated on October 11th of every year. International Girl Child Day. International Girl Child Day was celebrated. RBI was nationalized in the year 1949. RBI was nationalized in the year 1949. RBI was nationalized. Mirror used in the headlight of vehicle is concave mirror. Mirror used in the headlight of the vehicle is the concave mirror. The first Indian woman who went to the space. Is Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla is the first Indian woman. She went to the space. Indian Shakespeare. Kalidas, Mr. Kalidas. The Kalidas is known to be the Indian Shakespeare. Then the distance between the sun and earth. Is around, we can take that as 150 million kilometer. Accurately 149.29 million kilometer. 149.29 million kilometer. Then we see which year the right to property. The right to property is a right. This right was renamed. This right was repealed. This right was deleted. This right was removed from the fundamental rights in the year of 1978. In the year of 1978, by the 44th Amendment Act. 44th Amendment Act in the year 1978 removed the right to property from the fundamental rights. Then the abbreviation for LED. LED is the light emitting diode. LED is a light emitting diode. Citrus canker. Citrus canker is a disease which is caused by the bacteria. Citrus canker is a disease caused by the bacteria. Then the Hemavati is a tributary of which river? Hemavati is a tributary of river Kaveri. Hemavati is a tributary of river Kaveri. Harappa is situated on which bank of river? The Harappa is situated in the bank of river Ravi. Harappa is situated in the banks of river Ravi. We already see that Vijayanagara Empire is established on the 14th century. Then we also seen that the UNESCO recognized Sundarbans as a World Heritage Site in 2011. Which range of Himalayas is also called Brahma Himalaya? Which range of Himalaya is also called Brahma Himalaya? Shivalik range. Which range of Himalaya is also called Brahma Himalaya? It is Shivalik range. The abbreviation for the virtual reality, that is VR, is virtual reality. VR is the virtual reality. The SI unit of power is watt. SI unit of power is watt. SI unit of power is watt. Then Kalbilia. Kalbilia dance is a state of dance is practiced in the Rajasthan. The Kalbilia dance is from which state? It's from the Rajasthan. When is the, that is a, where is the tomb of Sheshashuri? Sheshashuri. Where is the tomb of Sheshashuri is present? Is in the Bihar. That is in the Sasaram. In the Sasaram, that is present in the Bihar. The tomb of Sheshashuri is located. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.